So yeah, that's my friend, and go check out his channel. I forgot the name, but whatever his YouTube channel name it. What the
name
frick?
The name is Call of Duty Black Ops 3. D-U-D-Y, not D-U-T-Y.
I'm gonna change my username if I can to Major Blood Vessel, because
Hey guys,
I'm gonna start beginning
it's another
doing
day.
like more UFC, more like.
I heard
Splinter
some
Cell
strange
and
noises last night.
And then
I'm gonna go inside. My buddy's right here. Brandon, don't be too loud. I'm doing a video.
Yeehaw.
I'm gonna set you right here to record. I'm gonna go inside, guys. Tell me if you hear or see anything.
What the frick?
So, guys, did you hear anything?
Wait. That video was how many? That was 5 minutes ago already.
Hey guys, I'm already started. I'm 5 minutes in.
Never mind.
Just comment down below if you heard anything, any noises.
Hey guys,
Tomorrow,
welcome back.
tomorrow, we're gonna do a vlog with my buddy. Bye, guys.
If you know, I'll give you my username, and I'll be giving away a 500,000 Robux gift card to you. Whoever subscribes to my channel for the next 1 minute, I'll say 3, 2, 1, hit that subscribe button, and whoever says notification squad rocks plus your Roblox username, I'll be giving you Roblox, $1,000 giveaway on a Visa card. I'll be giving tons of money.
You alright, guys? I have no idea what happened. It's like something attacked me. Oh! Oh God. My knee is busted open. And by the way, the strange noise is from Killer Clown.
Hey Nate. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
What the frick is wrong with you?
But hey, Brandon. I'm not gonna just attack myself.
My nose.
I'm in this video right here. Hope it doesn't happen again. Bye, guys. I want 2 million views on this video, and I will tell me where you live, and I will let you drive my Lambo. It's a Lamborghini Hurricane. Bye, guys. Bam. Oh, just to let you know, there's a clown over here. Anybody just thought. See that little hideout over there? Go check it out. Guys, I'm gonna check it out. Oh my God. Did you not hear that? I'm in this video right here now.